Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick demo of a JT5 SSTM3 gasoline mini skid steer.
This is a compact machine that doesn't take a lot of space, but at the same time there's a great access to everything inside the engine compartment. Let's take a look what we can find there. So here we have our radiator, and it can fold out the way if you need to get underneath. Once you lift the radiator, you will find your 3 gear pumps, battery, and your walking motors, as well as your hydraulic tank. This skid steer has 2 sets of hydraulic lines for your auxiliary attachments. One is a standard 2-hose in and out, while the second one has 3 hoses for your in, out, and the case drain. When it comes to the buckets and other attachments, it uses standard bobcat style quick hitch. All the attachments are interchangeable between this model and our larger JT5 SSTM4. It's very easy to use. There's just 2 pins you can lift. You lift it, turn it 90 degrees to lock it in place. You'll do it on both sides, and then you'll be able to just curl and take off the bucket. Once you put it back on, you just turn it the other way and it locks it in. At JoyT5, we know that proper maintenance is a key to keep your machine running. That's why our models all come with the greasable pins everywhere, like you can see right here, right there. Also, we believe in protection of the machine to minimize the risk of damage. That's why you can notice the undercarriage shield, and all the hoses on the arm are tucked inside, nothing sticking out, to make sure that you're not gonna break the hose in case you hit a branch. In the back, you will find a 23 horsepower one-guard gasoline engine that is made by Briggs & Stratton. It is a local engine made in the US, with dealers and parts readily available. For storage purposes, the floor plate of this machine lifts up. That gets you the extra space in your shop or garage, and it's easy to fold down when you need to operate it. Here we can take a look at what controls we have. This lever over here is your throttle. You have a 12-volt socket in case you need to connect any electronics auxiliary. This is your choke that you can pull out to start the machine, your fuel gauge, oil temperature, and your hour meters. Also, we have our lights and horn. When we move to the top, we have our 2 joysticks. Forward and backwards will control your tracks. Left and right will control your lift and curl of your bucket. These 2 levers are for your auxiliary. Left will operate the auxiliary with the case drain. Right will operate the auxiliaries without case drain. Here's a close-up of the quick hitch. It is a bobcat style with the same dimensions to be able to use same attachments. Now let's start the machine, put back the bucket, and see how it moves. First, what we're gonna do to start it, we're gonna pull out our choke and then turn the key. Once it's started, we'll push the choke back in, and now we're gonna put on the bucket. we're gonna show you how it moves and how it raises and lifts the bucket. If required, this machine can be very smooth. And move slowly. Now let's raise the bucket. If you're ever gonna have any questions about mini skid steers, wheel loaders, or excavators, visit JoyT5.com and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.